So, you have found an attractive project whose price is constantly rising. You invested your money in this, and you have lost again. Congratulations, you have become a victim of a rug pull, and I suppose it's not the first time. Now you are wondering if you can create something similar and make your tens of thousands by pulling the rug. The answer is obvious. Yes, anyone can do it, and today you will learn how to use the Honeypot token to maximize your profits from a rug pull. How does it work? The Honeypot token is a type of cryptocurrency designed to inspire investors to buy the token but prohibit its sale. And when the amount of funds in the liquidity pool reaches its maximum, the developers pull the rug and disappear along with the profit. You can launch it on popular DEX exchanges such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, and PulseX. Watch this video to the end and learn how to get the source code and a complete guide for it. And we are starting out. First, open up the remix and create new file. Here we should paste the source code from contract.sol file. First, you can change the contract name. Next, I will specify the total supply in Wei units. I will use this website to convert Ether units to Wei. For example, there will be 100,000 total supply. Copy this and paste here. Below you can specify the token name, symbol and decimals. And here we have max gas price. You should go to the Blockchain Explorer and check for median gas price. Let's specify the value for 1 unit higher. And then we can specify the taxes for buy and sell. Next, we go to Compiler tab and select the compiler version 0819. Click at the Compile button. Next, we move to Deployment panel. In Environment drop-down list, select MetaMask. Also, it will display your current blockchain ID. In Contract drop-down list, select the contract name you specified or token protocol by default. Then you should specify the router address of desired DEX exchange. For this video, I will use PancakeSwap on testnet. Copy its address and paste to remix. Press Transact button and sign the transaction. And here we have the interface, which allow us to interact with the smart contract. Now, let's provide liquidity for the token. It is also important to provide exactly V2 liquidity, so token will work properly. Here we should paste the address of deployed contract. Let's take it from remix. Next, let's input desired amount of each token that we will provide for liquidity. Remember, it's important to provide exactly the native blockchain currency to liquidity. In this case, it's TBNB. Congratulations, liquidity provided. This function allows you to check Honeypot feature state, and at the moment it's disabled. Let's try to buy some tokens from another wallet. Paste the address of the token we want to buy. Let's buy small amount. Since we have 5% buy fee, we should increase slippage tolerance to higher value than actually fee. For example, 6. Now let's try to sell small amount. And remember, we have 10% sell fee, so we need to increase slippage tolerance for higher value. Great, now let's try to enable Honeypot feature. Go back to Remix interface and enable it. Let's check again to be sure that it's enabled. True means that Honeypot feature is active. Go back to PancakeSwap and try to sell token again. And Honeypot works properly. We're no longer able to sell the token. We can't do it even if specify the maximum slippage tolerance. Congratulations! Now you get the investors' funds. This honeypot is undetected for most of popular honeypot checkers. Let's see the results. First is detect honeypot website. Let's paste the address and check it. And yes, test passed. Second is rugdark.io. Let's paste the address and do check. Second test passed successfully. Next is no less popular, Arve Dex. Let's do check here. Great, doesn't seem like honeypot. And the last one, the rugcheck.com. Let's check it there. Nice, all tests passed. To get this contract, go to my channel by link in description. Also check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.